A Muskegon County man already charged with operating while intoxicated causing death may also be charged with second-degree murder. It's why Cody Loomis appeared in a Muskegon County District courtroom today. The 25-year-old suspected of drunk driving when his truck swerved into the path of a car on Maple Island Road back in March. The impact killed a Ravenna couple who were planning their wedding. 13 on your side, Lakeshore reporter John Mills has our top story at 5 with more on why a court appointment scheduled for today was adjourned for the second time.
It was a preliminary examination that couldn't be held today because the judge needs to decide 2 motions. But witnesses did testify to give the judge the information he needs to decide those motions. Cody Loomis is the driver who Muskegon County Prosecutor D.J. Hilson believes was driving drunk when his truck smashed into a car driven by Melissa Nash. Her fiance, Justin Duchem, was in the front passenger seat of the Ford Edge. The engaged couple died at the scene on Maple Island Road March 9th. An MSP crash investigator says neither driver slowed prior to the near head-on crash. It was around 1 in the morning and the road was dark.
Neither vehicle had any pre-impact braking.
Sergeant Brandon Davis says marks left on the road prove it was Loomis's truck that significantly crossed the center line.
Are you 100% certain that Ford Edge stayed within its lane of travel?
100%.
This EMT told the district judge what Loomis admitted to while being treated on the way to the hospital.
He had stated that he had drank several beers and he believes that he fell asleep when he was driving.
The testimony and other evidence will help the judge decide if the circumstances of Loomis's 2 prior drunk driving convictions can be used to show he knew his actions in this case created a very high risk of death. Prosecutor Hilson told the judge he's evaluating the possibility of adding 2 second-degree murder charges, but he'd likely have to rely on the circumstances of those 2 previous cases to add second-degree murder charges. The judge is also being asked to rule on a motion relating to Nash and Duchem's blood alcohol levels. The prosecutor wants to keep the victim's blood alcohol levels out of court. The defense wants to use the information. The judge says he'll decide both motions on June 3rd. That's when a preliminary examination will be held, and the judge will decide if there is sufficient evidence to move the case against Loomis to circuit court for a trial. In Muskegon County, John Mills, 13 on your side.